Hello students, welcome to Massive Open Online Courses, a program of University Grant Commission New Delhi and the Ministry of Human Resource Development, Government of India. I am Professor Ajmer Singh Malik, teaching Public Administration at Kurukshetra University, Kurukshetra, and I am also the course coordinator for the course on State and Local Governance, Machinery and Processes. This is the 8th week of your course and beginning of the second component, that is local governance. Before this, we have gone through the state administration, state legislature, state executive as well as the district administration. In this week, we will discuss about the evolution of local governance in India under three headings, namely evolution of local governance in India, 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act and 74th Constitutional Amendment Act. Under the first theme, that is evolution of local governance, we will have three talks. First is on the concept and the early traditions of local governments, especially in India. Second talk is on the evolution of Panchayati Raj institutions in the country. And the third talk is devoted to the evolution of urban local governments in Indian context. We will also have two separate talks on the remaining two themes which are to be taken up in this week. The themes are Constitution 73rd Amendment Act 1992 and the Constitution 74th Amendment Act 1992. The learning outcome of the learning program of this week are to impart the learners with the knowledge and understanding of the evolutionary process of the institution of local governance in the country and to generate awareness about the objectives, institutions and the salient features of the local governance established on the basis of the model conceived in 73rd and 74th constitutional amendments. I am emphasizing the role of Parliament in enacting 73rd and 74th constitutional amendment because of one important reason, and the reason is that the local governance or matters relating to the local governments are in the subject list, not in the union list or the concurrent list. Means the powers or the authority, rather we say the constitutional authority, are vested in the state legislature to enact this kind of the law. But this is again a unique feature that the Parliament has taken the initiative to enact 73rd and 74th Constitutional Amendment Act. No doubt the present set of government, both urban and rural local institutions, those are based on these two amendments, but for that purpose the state governments were persuaded by the union government to enact laws by their respective state legislature to establish the institution on the pattern of these amendments. Therefore, the evolution of local governance since the days of Lord Ripon to the present day is very much essential for understanding the model, nature and working of these institutions. I am happy to share with you that the academic contents relating to the themes which are deliberated in this week will be made available to you in the form of e-contents, video contents, and you will also be provided with a list of academic resources that may include the books, articles published in various journals. Like earlier, you will also be provided with the list of academic resources which comprises of the books on the themes as well as the research articles published in various journals, the government reports and the reports prepared by the NGOs, etc. No doubt these reports you will also be provided with the web resources which are very much informative to understand about the composition and role and the performance and the extent of participation and the changes brought in by these local institutions, particularly after 73rd and 74th constitutional amendment. Besides this, you will also be provided with the graded and ungraded assessment tools. The ungraded tools are provided at the end of each presentation, and that may comprising of the multiple choice questions, and the answers of those questions are not necessarily a single answer. Rather, we say that there may be the multiple answers, and the explanation why that answer is fit or why that answer is correct, that is also provided at the end of the e-text or in the form of ungraded assessment in the week. The graded assessment again, which is of 10 marks, that will be provided to you at the end of the week, and you have to attempt it within the stipulated time given right hand side top of the weekly assessment. The marks obtained by you in that weekly assessment, that will be taken into consideration for the final internal marks obtained by you in this course. Thank you very much for being with us for such a long period. We have entered into the 8th week, and I wish you a very, very happy learning during the week. If you have any doubt or you need any clarification, I would like to request you again and again. Rather, I would like to motivate you, encourage you to participate in discussion. Write your questions, ask from your fellow students, and also ask from me. If you need any clarification, that will be highly appreciated, because as I am repeating it again and again, this kind of the discussion not only help you in clarifying your concept, but also help in an effective learning. Thanks again. Thank you very much.